capture that on the video?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Yeah, and you can zoom in and stuff.
Should we show it without the light on real quick?
I can do it with my
Night vision?
night vision.
Does it work? I want to see. Weird. It looks like a skull and it's flashing. See it?
Mm-hmm.
That was awesome. Hold on. I want to keep looking. That's awesome. Weird. I'm going crazy. I can't do this.
Turn it all the way up again.
Oh, I want to watch some more. I want to watch some
I
more.
think it's good. I got it. Yeah, that looks good because you can actually get it in focus.
I wonder. What else does this?
What else? Spins really fast?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I think it'd be cool to like tape different pieces of paper to the fan, to each blade of the fan. Or maybe spray paint the blades.
No. No and no. But I have an idea for that other one. Hey, stop it for a minute.
Stop what?
Wait, no, I don't want to do it right now.
Stop what?
I'm going to see the tape.
Why don't you want to do it right now?
Because I have to turn off the fan. I'll do it later. We need something to do later tonight. So we'll play with the fan blades.